Oh yeah, he did it.
I did it.
He did it on his own. That's my boy.
All right.
Good job, man. So, have you opened this one yet?
No.
All right, so we together, and Judah's filming, we are replacing or inserting 2 terabytes of storage on this PS5. And this let's put this screwdriver in here. All right. So there's that. All right, whoa, chill. Sorry. Here. Go ahead and take that one off. I was proud of him. He got that cover off all by himself. Good job. Now put the screw in there so that we have it. Excellent.
Ooh, good job.
So
Now,
we need to see we have to put the heat strips on this, whatever they're
right.
Are we 80?
So let's make sure. So I'm pretty sure it's going to go with the Crucial. So what have we got? We've got the
80, I think. Oh.
Crucial P3 Plus PCIe 4.0 M.2. Now be careful with that. You don't want to lose that.
All right.
Smart thinking. Easy. Don't drop that in there.
This has to stay here.
All right. Well, it's gonna. All right. Let's see if we're doing this correctly. Yes, and then it just pushes down. All right. So.
Heat strips on.
All right. You want to go ahead and put that? Well, we gotta wait. So this, did it come with with strips in here too?
No, I don't think so.
But it did. I think there's some right here.
Yes, there's 2 different kinds. I don't know which one to use. What's the difference?
1.5 and 1. So why don't we do this?
I think we should put the heat strips on.
We are. We're gonna put heat strips on there. I want to see if we just. So that's what it's going to be like. So that was the 1.5, and that's the 1.0.
Should I take this out?
You go ahead and pull that out. Oop. Do you want me to put it on or you want to put
You
it
can
on?
put it on.
Oh, great. I can put it on.
Yep. Do we have to leave the plastic stuff on? Yeah, I'm gonna take that off, I think. It's a little big.
Is this smaller?
I think, yes. I think that's the one we want. Is the blue one.
Let's change that. You got it? You want me to do it? You got it? Do it, buddy. Yes, sir. There you go. Do it to it, man.
And then move the top.
Yeah.
No loose corners.
Hold on
I
a second.
can't find a loose corner. Do better if we had fingernails.
All right, there you go.
Now you want me to put it in there?
Yeah.
I don't know how this works.
A good snap in. Don't force it. Oh.
Yeah, you want to do this. I don't know how.
That's all I'm doing.
Oh, it goes in
That's
right
it.
there. Okay.
Then,
Push it up and down.
no, hold on. Alright. Okay, I see. Does that go in like that or go under it?
I'm pretty sure it goes in like this.
You sure?
Mm,
Sure it doesn't go under it and hold it flat?
it goes under. Okay, there's that. Okay, I need the screw.
Alright, hold on. I got the
The
screw.
big one, big one.
No.
No?
No, this one. You do it. There you go. It doesn't have to be monster tight, just snug. Want me to check it?
Mm-hmm. Not too tight.
Oh, you're good.
Alright, now we gotta put this thing on. What is this?
So that's all for heat. No, it's for heat dissipation.
Okay, now what? Let's put it on.
Alright. Alright, but did it hit?
I don't think I put it on
Hold on,
right.
man. Okay, I feel it. Yes. I can feel it hitting the that thermal pad. Is that working? Does it feel it going in there? Getting tight?
Yes.
Okay. Don't strip
What
it.
is this for?
Hold on, let me check.
What is this for?
That was what was holding this down.
Well, this was what was holding it
wow.
down. Okay, that's probably not a good thing, but okay.
Sarah, that was what was holding the little washer in there that you took out first. That was up here. That held nothing.
Okay,
Okay. All right.
I think we're good.
And it came with a screw. All right. Can you get it back on? You got it on? Oh yeah, that's my boy. Good job. Boom. All right.